This is Operational Manager Todd Nardoni for TNW News with your 5 p.m. Tropical Storm ELSA update for July 8th, 2021. Remember to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and YouTube, and also Facebook for the latest on Tropical Storm ELSA. Let's get right to it.
ELSA slightly stronger, headed for the mid-Atlantic coast. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Little River Inlet, South Carolina, to Sandy Hook, New Jersey, Pamlico and Albemarle Sounds, Chesapeake Bay south of North Beach and the tidal Potomac south of Cobb Island, Delaware Bay south of Slaughter Beach, Long Island from East Rockaway Inlet to the eastern tip along the south shore and from Port Jefferson Harbor eastward on the north shore, New Haven, Connecticut to Merrimack River, Massachusetts including Cape Cod, Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. Tropical storm conditions are expected to continue over portions of the North Carolina coast today, and along the mid-Atlantic coast later this afternoon and evening. These winds will spread northward in the warning area over the northeastern states by Friday. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office, www.weather.gov. At 5 p.m. EDT, the center of Tropical Storm ELSA was located inland about 125 miles, 200 kilometers west-southwest of Norfolk, Virginia, and about 300 miles, 485 kilometers southwest of Atlantic City, New Jersey. It's moving toward the northeast near 21 miles per hour, 33 kilometers per hour, and this general motion is expected to continue with an increase in forward speed during the next couple of days. On the forecast track, ELSA will continue to move over North Carolina today, pass near the eastern mid-Atlantic states by tonight, and move near or over the northeastern United States on Friday and Friday night. The system should move over Atlantic Canada by Friday night and Saturday. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 50 miles per hour, 85 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 160 miles, 260 kilometers from the center.
Ooh, that's a
No
good
significant change in
Tropical
trend is
storm
expected to
ELSA.
occur through Friday, and ELSA is forecast to become a post-tropical cyclone by Friday night. ELSA is expected to produce the following rainfall amounts and impacts this week. Across central and eastern North Carolina into southeastern Virginia, and from the mid-Atlantic into New England, 2 to 4 inches of rain with isolated totals up to 6 inches through Friday are possible, which could result in limited to considerable flash and urban flooding, as well as isolated minor river flooding. For the latest rainfall reports and wind gusts associated with ELSA, please visit the following link: https://www.wpc.ncep.no80.gov/discussions/nfdscc5.html. A few tornadoes are possible across eastern North Carolina into southeast Virginia and eastern Maryland through this evening. The threat for a tornado or two will continue through late tonight and Friday morning across coastal portions of the mid-Atlantic to southern New England. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 11 p.m. EDT with an intermediate advisory at 8 p.m. EDT. www.hurricanes.gov.
As always, the intermediate evening updates will be found on our Facebook page and our Twitter page. This is the last video update for today on Tropical Storm ELSA. This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni for TNW News. Stay safe in North Carolina. Remember to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and Facebook for the latest information on Tropical Storm ELSA. This has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni with the latest on Tropical Storm ELSA. Stay safe out there.